This hanging wall jewelry cabinet features a wide mirror and ample storage, making it a practical and elegant addition to any bathroom. Designed to be door-mounted, this organizer saves space while providing easy access to your jewelry and accessories, keeping them neatly arranged and within reach. The versatile design of this jewelry cabinet makes it suitable for various spaces, enhancing both functionality and aesthetic appeal in your home. This elegant wall-mounted jewelry cabinet is not just a mirror, but also a perfect organizer for your precious items. It enhances the decor of your bathroom. Featuring 2 drawers, this jewelry cabinet offers ample storage space for your accessories. Keep your items neatly organized and easily accessible. This tall lockable mirror jewelry cabinet ensures the security of your valuables. The lock mechanism provides peace of mind while keeping your items safe.